How to create an ER diagram in ClickCharts. Click Templates, select ER Diagrams, then choose a template from the list or select Blank Diagram. Add symbols from the Symbol panel by clicking and placing them on the canvas. Select a connector type, then click to place the start and end points to link symbols. When finished, click Save. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on how to create an ER diagram in ClickCharts. Click the Templates button to create a new diagram. From the list of templates, select ER Diagrams. Several templates are available to help you get started quickly. If you prefer to begin from scratch, choose Blank Diagram. Use the Symbol panel in the left sidebar to add ER diagram elements. Click a symbol to select it, move your cursor to the diagram area, and click to place it on the canvas. To place the same symbol multiple times without reselecting it, hold Shift while clicking on the canvas. Click and drag any symbol to reposition it, and use the square handles to resize it as needed. Double-click a symbol to enter text, such as entity names, attributes, or relationship labels. To customize the appearance, select a symbol and click Fill to change its color, or Line to modify the outline style. To create relationships between entities, select a connector type from the Symbol panel. Click where you want the connector to begin, then click again where it should end. You can also enable Auto Connect New Symbols in the lower right corner of the window to automatically connect newly added symbols to the previously placed symbol. To edit a connector, click its line or curve to select it. Drag the square dot handles at either endpoint to move the connection or connect and disconnect it from anchor points. Depending on the connector style, additional handles may be available to adjust the connector's shape and routing. Customize connectors by clicking Line to change the line style and Arrow to modify the arrowhead style. Once your ER diagram is complete, click Save to store your work. For more ClickCharts tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.